In a bright and cheerful neighborhood, two very different boys live side by side. But who will truly win the day? Meet the good boy. He always wears a kind smile and is ready to help anyone in need. And then there is the bad boy. He prefers playing pranks and causing a bit of mischief. When an elderly neighbor struggles with her heavy groceries, the good boy is the first to lend a hand. But the bad boy prefers to zoom past, causing trouble and laughing along the way. At lunch, the good boy sits with a friend who has no food and shares his meal with a smile, while the bad boy takes what he wants from others, leaving them feeling sad and left out. But one afternoon, the bad boy's luck runs out. He trips and falls hard while running too fast. He looks around for help, but his behavior has left him all alone. For the first time, he feels the weight of being unkind to those around him. Suddenly, a hand reaches out. It's the good boy coming to his rescue. He doesn't judge. He simply helps his neighbor get back on his feet. The bad boy is stunned. He never expected kindness from someone he treated poorly. With a sincere apology, a new friendship begins to bloom. They discover that playing together is much more fun than being a bully, because in the end, being kind always wins. Spread some kindness today.